Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing a very important deployment tool that we used in Google Cloud Console, and this tool is called Google Cloud Run. So again, it is similar to what we used to deploy in our Azure and AWS platforms. So in case of Cloud Run, if you talk about the type of deployment, there are different ways through which you can deploy your web application, your APIs. So one is like you fully manage your infra, where you set up all your CPUs, your RAM, you set up all your security groups, then you set up your key vault, you set up your operating system, and then you install the type of platform that is required to run your code. And once that is set up, all those setup of URL, then setup of SSL, everything is to be done by you. Again, it's a very long time consuming process in which each and everything you have to set up on your VM. Second part is like again in case of platform as a service, in which we have Google App Engine, we have in Azure it is App Service, then Elastic Beanstalk. So again, in this case, the platform is already there. You just need to select your platform, whether it is .NET, Java, Python. Similarly, the third way through which we can deploy our application is container-based deployment. And again, it is the most used way, and again, it is famous and it is used all over the deployment. Whenever we are going to deploy anything, the most preferred way to deploy any of your web application, and it is also very simpler, is container based deployment, where you just need to have the exact replica of your environment. So the back and forth to make sure that all your environment variables that were there whenever you are coding that particular application, all those settings that you have done whenever you are doing or whenever you are implementing that application, we don't need to again replicate it one by one. So the best way is container based deployment, where we just create an image. This image contains everything, so you don't need to send a specification document that these are all the things that you need to do. You just need to send this image. This image will contain your operating system, because there are problems if you want to deploy application from Windows to Mac. So there are slight issues. There are many different types of settings that needs to be done just to make sure that it works fine. So that method of sending an image or a container we use is Google Cloud Run. So in Google Cloud Run, it has, again, you set up the environment, you have to clone the repository, you have to create the Docker container, and then just gcloud app deploy and your container will be deployed. Auto scaling is there automatically. You don't need to worry about what all VMs are being used. So based upon the traffic, based upon the requirement, VMs are created, VMs are deployed. So auto scaling is done. All those HTTPS protocol, if you want to do that, part is being done. Load handling is done automatically. So that's what the easiest way to deploy any of your web application or REST API. Again, you can go with Kubernetes, you can go with Elastic container. Then in case of cloud or Google Cloud, you can go with Google Cloud Run. Friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.